In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text into Speechify. If you want to quickly turn articles, notes, or documents into audio, copying text into Speechify is the fastest way to get started. We'll walk through the process from a fresh browser so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Speechify, then press Enter. In the results, choose the official Speechify website. This will take you to the web app where you can add content. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Text. Clicking this opens a clean workspace where Speechify expects you to paste or type the content you want read aloud. Now switch to your source. That could be a web page, a PDF viewer, a document editor, or any app that contains the text you need. Highlight only the portion you want to hear, avoiding navigation menus or comments you don't need. With the text selected, copy it using Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. Keyboard shortcuts are faster and more reliable than right-clicking, especially when you're moving between apps. Head back to your Speechify tab in the browser. Click inside the main text field so your cursor is active, then paste what you copied. Use Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. If you pasted a long article, give it a moment to appear fully. You can skim for any odd line breaks or formatting and quickly tidy them up so it sounds natural when read. At the top, you can optionally add or edit the title. A clear, descriptive name, like the article headline or the class topic, makes it easier to find later, particularly if you save a lot of files. When everything looks good, click Save File. This stores your text in Speechify so it's ready whenever you want to listen. You'll be able to return to it from your library and pick up right where you left off. That's the entire workflow. Search for Speechify, open the text workspace, copy from your source, paste into Speechify, optionally title it, and save. With a bit of practice, you can go from discovering an article to having it ready to listen to in under a minute. Thanks for watching, and happy listening. See you next time.